So we have emptied the rooms, and this is going to be our walk-in closet slash office bedroom. And today we will focus on this because we do need to sleep somewhere. And these are the colors that we are choosing from. We have decided to go with that one in the bedroom. It's some kind of beige, but with it looks grey in here, but it's a little bit pinkish, which I love. And we are going to go for this one in the dining hall on one wall. But it's also, here in the camera it looks more purple. In reality it's more warm reddish, pinkish. Hello, it's time for a new update. Last time I spoke with you, I think we hadn't moved yet. Now we have moved. It's been 1 week and it's time for an apartment tour, what it looks like so far. Of course not a lot has changed because on Monday, like 5 days ago, we started working again, so now in the weekdays it's not happening a lot. But I think it's changed some things since I last updated you. I look tired because I have to admit that I'm quite exhausted from this moving and renovation combination, but life will return to more normal now. So yeah, but let's take the tour. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So this is now from where we come in, and as you can see we have a lot of stuff. Just, you know, we have no kitchen, we have no bathroom, so everything is here. This is where we keep everything. That part is our kitchen. I'm gonna show you, and thank God for this part, this like closet, big closet, because here I have a lot of our stuff, like things we don't use at the moment, you know, Christmas things and everyday things like beauty stuff. This was a lifesaver, and I'm so happy that we didn't take it down, because it's going down. We will have like normal closets here instead. So, but now I'm happy that we didn't take it down before we are actually going to change this part. Here you can see what it will quickly look like. Here we come inside, and then here we will have closets, and then the wall is going like this, and we will also have closets here. This is where our kitchen, or here is our kitchen, and then the freezer will be here. So the closets, in other words, will be down this road. I tried to make it as you know, comfy and cozy as possible. So I'm actually loving the place, even though of course it's definitely far away from what I want this to be, but this is working. I have to say. So the moving boxes are now as some sort of a kitchen table where we have all our stuff. You know, these are things that should be in kitchen drawers, etc. So yeah, but now we try to make it as easy as possible for us, so everything is just up like this, so we can reach it quickly and we know where we have things. Here we have ready to celebrate when things are ready. And more of the kitchen stuff. I'm so happy that we chose to not sell. Not that I'm going to sell any of these, because they are in my family. That one was my dad's, my mom's, my grandma's. So I love these, and let's see if I will keep them in our, like when the apartment is ready. It might be that one will turn black. Let's see. Anyways, I'm so happy that we saved a lot of our furnitures because this was so needed. I mean, we have no kitchen. So here is now, here is everything. And mirror over here. I mean, we have a lot of like easy weird solutions. And that's me. Leather pants day today, white sweater, and always shoes on inside because I don't like this floor and it's quite cold. Then here nothing is happening. This will be our bathroom, but nothing is happening here. Here we make our food, but this is now for Jona and he can build things and fix things, and yeah, so this is not something we're going to do anything about right now. Here is our living room, definitely my favorite part at the moment. Here's a kitchen table, just with a lot of stuff. Tried to make it, as I said, as cozy as possible. And then this is my favorite part. We can look at Netflix and just chill because we need that so much in between renovation and work. So yeah, I actually find this really cozy. As I said, it's not something what it will look even close to what it will look like when we are ready, but I'm happy with it and I feel like I can live here, and that's the most important. Here is our little jungle, and then here we have the computer, or Jonas' computer. And yeah, as I said, I'm so happy that we chose to save all these furnitures from the old apartment because we need them as long as we are renovating, and of course don't want to buy new things before everything is done and we know what we want. Yes, we have Jonas' clothes over there. Here we have a table to just build everything. The old bathroom looks like this. Here we have the floor. We have the old toilet. We just keep stuff here. This is our dining room in plastic. As you can see, this is the room that we are going to start working on when we are done with the closet room or the home office room. This one has changed. Now I have closets. Love them. It's far from ready and I haven't cleaned the closets yet, so everything is just thrown inside just for me to find something easier. But yeah, as you can see, only one door is up, and yeah, but it's a process, and I'm so happy that at least I have the closets, that they are a lifesaver. And then it will be like that. We will have a table there, that's where Jonas' computer will be. So it will be like a closet, but with a table for Jona and his computer, and I will have my computer and table right here. But we have our bedroom, and that's almost, okay, it's not ready, far from ready, but it's the most finished room. And we decided to paint the door. As I said in a previous video, we decided to save these 70s doors with glass and this plain door. At first we were thinking about removing those and buy new doors, but we actually decided to save them. It's been a struggle to find out what color they should be. Should they just be white, the same as the bedroom color inside there, you can see it. We tried brown, we tried, yeah, different colors. And as you can see, we are not done. It should be painted one more time, and we have to buy new those hand thingies. But yeah, I don't know what I want, black or gold. I'm thinking gold. What do you think? Let me know. So, but when we walk inside, we finally have the floor, and it's so beautiful. Wow, I'm so happy with the floor, like so happy. And this is now our bedroom. It's not ready, definitely not, but as you can see, at least we have somewhere to sleep and live. Same here, I saved all the old furnitures, or some of them, just to have something, and it's a lot changing here. For example, we will have borders, I think they are called borders, in this room. So those I actually ordered 2 days ago, and yesterday we got an email that it's on its way. So soon we have the borders and can put them up. I think that will look so good. And I'm so happy with the color here. I'm happy that it's not too light, because I want it a bit darker just to make it cozier. And you know, I love a dark room when I'm sleeping, so yes. But anyways, this is what it looks like. The floor is just mind-blowing. I'm so happy with it. And I'm excited to get this room ready. We're going to have a list over here and lighting behind it, so, and then curtains. All of the whole wall and that side will have curtains, so it will look so beautiful when the lighting is on the curtains. Wow, yes. Anyways, that was an update. Now I will leave you here, and please follow me on Instagram, because there you can definitely see the process. Here I will only do some updates now and then, but there you can see almost every part of the renovation. So do follow and follow my story. Thank you so much for watching today. What do you think so far? And as I said, what do you think? What handle should we have there? Here you can see now that it's shiny, which is making it look more, it's not as dark, as I said. Yes, and by the way, we have white lists that we have also been thinking so much about, but when we've tried different options, we finally realized that white are the best ones. So that's decided. But what should we have here? Should it be white or black? Because I would prefer to have matte black, these swifts and, you know, those things as well in matte black. But I don't know, will it look weird when we have white lists, floor lists? I don't know. And then we have shiny door, will that look weird? So please let me know what you think. What will look the best, you think? Yeah. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a lovely week. See you in my next video. Bye!